Hello everyone, I am Akash Srivastav, your law mentor, and today I am going to assist you in filling LSAT India form. So students, in today's session, we are going to discuss what are the basic things that you need to keep in your mind before filling LSAT India form, and while filling the form, what are the details that you need to take into consideration. Before I assist you in filling LSAT India form, there are few details that everyone should be aware of. The first one is online registration start date. So as you all know that they have started with the online registration form from 14th of August 2023, and this will be open till 10th of January 2024 for the January exam and till 2nd of May 2024 for the May attempt. When we talk about when exactly they are going to conduct the examination, so January examination will be held on 20 and 21 January 2024, and the May attempt will be held on 16th to 19th May 2024. And when we talk about when exactly they are going to declare the result, it is yet to be notified. The next important thing is the test pattern. So when we talk about LSAT India, overall time that will be allotted to you will be 2 hours 20 minutes, and you will have to attempt 92 questions within that time frame. And when we talk about negative marking, there will be no negative marking. If we talk about the bifurcation of 92 questions, so analytical reasoning will be asked, of 23 questions will be asked, and 35 minutes will be allotted to you. When we talk about logical reasoning first, 22 questions you need to solve in 35 minutes. When we talk about logical reasoning 2, you will be allotted 35 minutes for solving 23 questions. And the last will be reading comprehension. For that, you will be given 35 minutes to solve 24 questions. So in total, you need to solve 92 questions in a span of 2 hours 20 minutes. So students, let's start the registration process. So when we talk about LSAT India form, there are 3 steps to it. The first one is registration, the second one is choosing the form, and the third one is filling the application. So before you start the registration process, these are the basic things that you need. The first one is a valid email address and a mobile number. The second one is your passport size photograph. The third one is a valid photo ID having complete name, date of birth and signature. And the last one is digital payment means for paying the registration fees. One of the most important thing is regarding uploading the photograph. So details are as follows. The first one is photograph should be JPEG, JPG or PNG format. The maximum size should not exceed 5 MB. Few of the other details that they have provided is eyes should be open and clearly visible. Photo should have either white or light colored background. Candidate's face should be distinctly visible, facing forward and centered. Shoulders tops should be visible, and the last one is photo should not be more than 6 months old. So these are the basic things that you need to keep in your mind when we talk about uploading the photograph. So students, let's start. So when we talk about on which website you will find the form, so the website name is lsatindia.in. So you will have to just Google lsatindia.in, and this is the page that you can see on your screen. So as you can see on my screen, that on the right hand side there is register now. You just have to click on register now to start the process. Once you have clicked register now, this page will be shown to you. On the right hand side, you will find their login ID details they are asking for. So they are asking for username or email ID, and they are asking for password. Below that you can see login ka button. But if you have not registered yet, you will have to click on sign up. Because once you have signed up, you have filled all the details, then you will be getting the username and password for the login. So the first step is registration process. For that, you need to just click on sign up. Once you have clicked on sign up, this page will be shown to you. They're asking for the basic details of yours. So you will have to fill your first name, then middle name is not mandatory in nature, then you will have to fill your last name, then country and contact number. Email ID you will have to fill, and you will have to create one password for yourself. And then you will have to fill country name, state and city. And once you have filled all the basic details, you will just have to click on I'm not reward and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, this page will be shown to you. Over here, it is written that your account is created successfully. Please verify it by clicking the activation link that has been sent to your email. So the email address that you have filled during sign up, over there will be one email. You just have to click on that. Once you have done so, this page will be shown to you. Over here, you will see that they're asking for basic details. In basic details, they're asking for the profile filling. So first name you will have to, that is already filled. Then middle name is not mandatory in nature. Last name you have already filled. You will have to select your gender. After gender, you will have to fill your date of birth. Again, when we talk about name and date of birth, the details should be exactly same as it is in your 10th standard ka mark sheet. Then you will have to choose your religion. Then best way to reach me, they will give you options over WhatsApp or email or contact number. Then you will have to fill your contact number. Again, contact number and email address are already filled. And then Aadhaar number is not mandatory in nature. If you want to fill it, you can fill it, but again, it is not mandatory in nature. Once you have filled your basic details, then asking for current address and permanent address. Again, you will have to fill address line 1, address line 2, and then you will have to choose country. Again, it is already chosen. State and city is already there. You just have to you just have to fill your PIN code. Again, if your current address is same as permanent address, you can just click on same as permanent address ka column. Otherwise, you will have to fill your permanent address also. Once you have done so, you will have to just click on proceed. After completing your profile, this page will be shown to you. Over here, you will find a number of options for choosing. So when we talk about if you want to give January attempt, you can choose so. If you want to give May attempt, you can choose so. And there are other options also. So for example, I have chosen January attempt. Over here, you can find that there is an option given apply now along with basic details about the examination. So if you want to give January attempt, you just have to click on apply now, that is given on the right hand side corner of the page. So students, once you have clicked on pay option, this page will be shown to you. Over here, you will find your application form. So application form is divided into 3 parts. The first one is application information. The second one is you will have to pay the required amount. And the third one is you will have to fill the educational qualification. That is your basic details related to class 10th and 12th. So as you can see, the first basic information that they are asking is your first name. It is already pre-filled. Middle name is not mandatory in nature, and last name is already pre-filled. You will have to then choose your gender. So the option that are available to you is male, female or other. So you can choose, and after that there is a column of date of birth. It is already pre-filled. Then you will have to upload your photo. So when you will click on I, you will find the basic details that we have already discussed, that requirement related to the photo that you will upload. So you will have to choose, and the maximum size will should not exceed 5 MB. Then you will have to fill your category. Over here, you will find a number of options. So you will find option of general, OBC, ST, DT, NT and other. Okay. So denotified tribes. So these are the options that are available to you. Once you have chosen your category, again, keep one thing in mind, that whatever category you are choosing except general, you should have certificate for same. Then you will have to choose your country of origin. You can choose India or other. And then your native language. So they are asking for native language. So you will have to choose accordingly. You can choose Hindi, English or other language depending upon your native. Then once you have done so, the other detail that they are asking for your contact details. So again, as you can see on my screen, contact number is already pre-filled and email ID is already pre-filled. They are asking for Aadhaar number, but again, it is not mandatory in nature. Then the next question that they're asking is contact number and WhatsApp number are same or not. If it is same, you can just click on yes, and the number will be pre-filled in WhatsApp column. If it is no, then you will have to fill the other number. Then the next thing that they're asking is nationality. So you can choose India over here or any other nationality to which you belong. So these are the basic details that you need to fill. The first one is basic details. The second one is contact details. Once you have filled basic details and contact details, then they are asking program applying for. So there are 3 options available to you. The first one is 5-year integrated law program. The second option is 3-year law program. And the third one is LLM program. So you will have to choose 5-year integrated law program. Then the next question that they're asking you is special needs, if any. Are you differently able? If you are, then you will have to choose yes. Otherwise, just choose no. Then other detail that they're asking is, have you taken the LSAT India exam previously? So if you have done so, you will have to click, otherwise choose no. Then you will scroll down, you will see that how did you know about LSAT India exam? So again, the options available to you is coaching center, website, friend or relative, newspaper, emailers. So depending from where you got to know about LSAT India, you need to choose so. Then you will have to fill the coaching center ka now. So I will fill IMS. Now, then they're asking that, have you taken coaching for law entrance exams or not? So you can choose yes. Do you have plan to take other law entrance test this year? So you can choose yes or no. So once you have filled that, have you taken coaching for law entrance exam? They're asking for the coaching center name also, and there will be option available to you. You can choose IMS. Next is, do you plan to take other law entrance tests this year? So you can choose yes. And then they're asking for which law entrance exam you are planning for. So you can choose CLAT or other exams depending upon which exams you are going to attempt. Now they're asking details about your parent or guardian. So they're asking for name, email ID, and contact number. So you can fill the details. This is the name, then email ID. And also keep one thing in mind, that the email ID of the parent or guardian should not be same as candidate email ID. So I will have to again fill it. Now you will have to choose the contact number. First of all, you will have to choose the code. That is for India is 91. And then you can fill the contact number. Next one is identification document that you have to upload. So few of the basic details related to same is upload Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, Indian passport or driving license. So these are the options that are available to you that you need to upload. The second requirement is file size should not exceed 2 MB. And the last one is do not upload a password protected file. So these are the details that you need to keep into your mind while uploading the document. Once you have done so, then there will be two options available to you, save and exit, and the next one will be next. So you will have to click on next, then a page will be shown to you. Over there you will have to pay the required amount, and then again you will have to click on proceed, and the last page will be shown to you. That will be the educational qualification details. So you will have to fill the details related to your class 10 and 12. Once you have done so, the application form will be filled. So these are the three basic steps that you need to keep in your mind. The first one was basic details, the second step is pay, and the third one is qualification details. So students, this was all related to LSAT India form filling. If you have any doubts, you can just type in the comment box and we will be able to help you with that. Or you can contact your nearest IMS centers. Mentors will be there to help you with that. Best of luck for your LSAT India exam. Thank you.